That is a CSS. This is nothing but a cascading style sheets. Okay. Here, what happens? We'll see. CSS is a cascading style sheet. It's going to be used for the W3C. The consortium has been given approval for the presentation of all these things, and it is going to have a lot of more information towards that beautifying that particular application, okay? Or we can say that web page. Now you see divisions have been made in this, especially CSS. The font properties are there, colors properties, size, borders, then background images, in the position of the elements. All these things are different. Almost you can say that 64, okay, 64 properties are there. It is very difficult to understand all these things. Means you can able to very difficult to follow all the things. So you should know some editors are there basically. Okay, some editors are there. If you use that particular editors, then only you can able to do a lot of things in this. Otherwise, remembering the thing in the thing and apply, it is a difficult task. It is simple one only, very simple. Already these things are going to be available. Just you have to go to that particular fonts, font sizes. There are so many are there. You'll come to know about all these things. On 64, remembering all these things is a difficult task. That's what I say. What is this? This is what? This is a cascading style sheet. So it is, if you want to use this one. So here what happens basically is the syntax rules are going to be followed for this, and one time you can write n number of times that you can able to use this. This is the advantage of CSS. Okay, only one time you will write n number of times that you can able to use the files, the CSS file, and it is going to get applied. It is going to get applied to the wherever that you want that particular CSS to apply. There it is getting applied. So you will be going to have the some selectors and all these things are going to be there. So by using those things that you can able to do many things. So how you going to write? There is a selector. That's what I say. And document contains style rules. So here property and value, that format only that it is going to be present here. You see that here the syntax of this selector is property and value, property and value. This is the rule declaration is going to be there here. Okay. 1 second. Okay. Again, able to see that here property and value and things in that format that is going to be present. That is the syntax. Now, how this is going to be used with the example. See that here. Selector is the name, some name it is being given. Then there's a color and which value. This is red. So this paragraph is there. Example. Paragraph P, margin colon 5px, okay. 0, 10px, 0. Margin is going to be represented in this format. Left, top, right, bottom, right. So like that format is there. According to that only it is being represented here. Then font weight is there, bold. Then we have font family, Arial, Allied, Helvetica, Sans Serif. So why 3 it is being given here? Font family, okay. To see some times what happens basically, some other systems, this Arial font is not available. Sans serif is available. Then it goes to first, it's going to check that this font is available or not. If it is not available, it moves to second one. If it is not available, it moves to third one. Any one of this is going to be present, so it is going to be applied over there. There's one, then only you can able to see that information on the screen. Syntax we will be going to see. Selector syntax. CSS rules begins with the selector always. This is the format it is going to be syntax. Same thing that it is being repeated here. Same thing it is being repeated here also. Here also it is the same. No change in that. Properties are there. What are the properties of font? You see, font properties. Font is there, font family, font size, font style, font weight, and font face. So many are there. Okay. Now this at font face only it is available in CSS 3 version 3. Okay, this is available 2 and 1 and 2, so these things are going to be available. Then there's a text is there. For the text, letter spacing, line height, text align, text decoration, text index, so many other like this. So for text, if you write, so many things that you can able to write this. Color and background. Background is itself is one attribute, the property for that. Okay. Then we have background color, image, background position, repeat, color, so many things. Okay. Then borders, border color, and all these things are there. Then spacing. There are so many things that is, especially this is being used in the uh, while reading the contents. Okay, documents at the time you're going to use this padding. Okay, bottom padding, right, left, all these things that you can able to use it, margins and all. Okay, then sizing it is. Say in case of sizing, height of that font. Okay, height of font, minimum height, maximum height that you can able to use. Layouts, okay, bottom, right, left, specifically where exactly that you want. Those things that you can able to specify here. Then list is there, list type. The contents will be there, like groceries. If you take the list of that groceries, that you can able to make it. Okay, list style image. You can use the images also. Type also you can use it. Okay, then the values in this that we will be going to specify is the comments that we will be going to say. The comments will be there. Sometimes we will go and write it comments. Okay, so usually it is a C language specification. It is slash star and comments star slash. Anything that you write inside that is not going to get executed on the screen. Okay, then percentages also you will be going to write. Okay. Again, CSS properties for the name, RGB, hexadecimal, RGBs, SCLs. Okay, what are these things? Basically, you see that name is there. You can write 17 standard colors that you can able to write it for normal. That is CSS 1 and 2. But in CSS 3, you can write 140 standard names. Okay. This color is there. Okay, color is going to be mentioned in this hot pink. Okay, so this is only available in CSS 3. Like that, RGB colors are there, 255, 0 to 255 colors you can make it. Either you can write it in this format, RGB 25500, or colors you can specify. It will be not exactly knowing that RGB colors are going to be mixed with these things. Some color you will be going to get that. Then hexadecimal way also you can able to represent this. How will be going to this? How you going to get this one? Basically, we will be not knowing this color, right? So you can go to the color palette. In the color palette, you just click on that one of the color in that. So there it will be in the down in the hexadecimal numbers that it is going to appear. So that you can consider. RGBA is the fifth. That is the fifth element. 1, 2, 3, fourth element it is going to be. It shows that the transparency of the between 0.0 to 1.0 of Q and all this means going very light and going to dark. That format is going to be present here. Then HSL. So this is another one. Use Q, saturation and light. So this is another format. There also you can able to write like this. Only what we are saying is in this we are saying all these things as a you can use it, but when you are going to write the program that you have to use these programs, these what we can say values, so that you will be going to understand very clearly about this. Okay. Units and measurements are there. There's the inches, cm is centimeter, millimeters, it is a points, PC is a pica. So you see point is nothing but 1/72 inch. Okay. Then 1/6 of inch is PC, that is pica. That you can able to write this one with the font only that is will be get applied. Px, em, so many things are there. Em is equal to the compound value of the font size property. Okay, so that is going to be used. When used for font sizes, you can use this em also. Okay? Relation to the font size of the parent, that relative things that you can able to use it. The see again